25% less amount. Yes or no? Once again, I'm repeat this question. Sundry creditors rupees 60,000 paid at 25% discount. We have to pay 25% less amount. Okay, right? Now, tell me one thing, friends. Sundry creditor, it's a liability or it's a assets? Friends, it's a liability. It's not an asset. It's an example of liability. So first of all, we will close this liability and transfer to credit side of realization account. Yes or no? As you know very well, liability has always credit balance, right? Liability has always credit balance. But when we close this liability, so first of all, this liability account will be debited and realization account will be credited. So your first journal entry is, please share the answer. You can see, friends, on your screen. As you know very well, liability has a credit balance, but when we close liabilities account, so it will be debited, right? When we close liability account, so it will be debited and realization account will be credited, right? So your first entry is creditor account debit to realization account credit, and the amount is 60,000, 60,000. Okay, your first entry, once again I'm repeat, creditor account debit to realization account credit. See, why creditor account debit? Because creditor has credit balance, right? And when we close any credit balance item, so it should be debited itself, and realization account will be credit. Okay, now see, friends, next portion of this entry. Now we have to pay 25% less amount to the creditors. हमें creditor को 25% पैसा कम पे करना है. Yes or no? So what we do, friends, हम क्या करेंगे, 60,000 का 25% आप लेस कर दो, फ्रेंड्स. यानी कि आपको सिर्फ 75% लायबिलिटी ही पे करनी है, राइट? मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, आपको समझ में आ रहा है, फ्रेंड्स? वी हैव टू पे ओनली 75% क्रेडिटर्स. वी डज नॉट पे 25% अमाउंट टू द क्रेडिटर्स. हमें 100% में से 25% का डिस्काउंट मिला है. दैट मीन्स हमें सिर्फ 75% लायबिलिटी पे करनी है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, फ्रेंड्स, आप 60,000 में से 60,000 का 25% लेस कर दो. आप 60,000 का 25% लेस कर दो. दैट मीन्स आप 15,000 माइनस कर दोगे 60,000 में से. So when we subtract 15,000 rupees out of 60,000, so your result is 45,000, right? So now partnership firm will pay this 45,000, right? Partnership firm will pay this 45,000 rupees. So when partnership firm will pay this liability, whenever partnership firm pay liabilities, so your journal entry is realization account debit to cash and bank account credit, and the amount is 45,000, right? Once again I'm repeat, debit to cash and bank account credit 45,000, right? So this is the journal entry of question number 5. Now please share the next question. You can see next question, unrecorded tax paid rupees 5,000. One of the easiest questions. Unrecorded tax paid rupees 5,000. I think this type of question we have already discussed in today's doubt solving lecture. आज सुबह सुबह के लेक्चर में ही हमने इस टाइप का एक जर्नल एंट्री सॉल्व किया था, right? Now please pay attention. Unrecorded tax paid rupees 5,000. Friends, before I should explain about journal entry, let me inform you. Unrecorded means what, friends? Unrecorded means a transaction is yet to be not recorded in the books. A transaction is not not yet to be recorded in the books. यानी कि ऐसा ट्रांजैक्शन जो अभी भी बुक्स में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ है, इस ट्रांजैक्शन को हम अनरिकॉर्डेड ट्रांजैक्शन कहेंगे. इट इज कॉल्ड unrecorded transactions, right? Now see friends, tax paid, payment of tax, as you know very well friends, tax, payment of tax, it's a liability. It is one type of liability. So when partnership firm paid this amount of tax, when a partnership firm paid this tax, right, when a partnership firm paid the amount of tax, what will be the journal entry? You can see on your screen. Please share the answer of this entry. You can see friends, answer number 6, journal entry number 6, realization account debit to cash and bank account credit. अब आप सोचोगे फ्रेंड्स कि सर रियलाइजेशन डेबिट क्यों हुआ? फ्रेंड्स, हियर वी आर गोइंग टू पे लायबिलिटी. हम क्या पे कर रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स? लायबिलिटी पे कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो जब हम लायबिलिटी पे करेंगे, when we pay liability, so realization account debit to cash and bank account credit. Yes or no? Okay, so this is the journal entry of 6 number. Now please 7 number, I think this will be the last. Okay,
No,
last
sir,
second.
there are one more.
Last second. Okay. Now see friends, dissolution expense paid rupees 5,000. Friends, dissolution expense. What do you mean by dissolution expense? Dissolution expense means expense which is incurred or which is paid at the time of dissolution of the partnership firm, right? See, whenever partnership firm goes to the dissolution, whenever partnership firm will go for the dissolution, at that time certain dissolution expense has to be incurred, and it is generally it is paid by partnership firm itself. Okay, so here amount of dissolution expense rupees 5,000 and it is paid by partnership firm. So what will be the journal entry? Whenever dissolution expense paid by partnership firm, right? So realization account will be debit. Why realization account debit? See friends, realization account debit because it's the expense of the business. Realization account debit because it's the expense of the business, right? So realization account debit and to cash and bank account credit. This is the journal entry of this question, right? Now it's my request to my all students, please write down all this journal entry.
Sir,
Today
one more
I just,
is left.
I know one more question is left, but I want to leave this question for tomorrow, right? Please, it's my humble request to everyone, note down all this journal entry. Okay, you just note down all this entry, and Vivek, please add Archie. Archie ko add karo group. She has sending you a request. Archie को आप add करो.
Sir, आलोकन कौन वकील?
Please write down everyone. Please write all this question and their respective answers. कुछ आर्ची ने ऐड करो.
सर विवेक का ऐड कीजिए.
सॉरी, विवेक ऐड करो आर्ची ने.
सर कोई रिक्वेस्ट आई नहीं थी आर्ची नाम में.
एक सेकंड.
सर राज नहीं आई.
हाँ ऐड करो, है ना, ऐड करो.